Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm too tired to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Crystal. Today's video I have is DIYing our own Halloween costumes. During this time, costumes are super expensive, like 20, 30, 40, 50, and you only wear them for like one night. So I'm gonna show you some Halloween costumes that you guys can DIY at home. Yeah, I'll just get into it. The first costume I'm gonna make is a candy machine. Always wanted to do one of these. Super easy. So you can grab a white tank top or a white shirt. You just buy a bag of pom-poms. Buy more if you want. This bag particularly already had 80. I already had laid out how I want the pom-poms to look and like the color scheme and everything. So all you just need is fabric glue you can get from Michael's, and then just glue the pom-poms and stick them on there. I'll get to gluing. Helping my boyfriend, we glued all of these pom-poms on there. I do not recommend getting the Aleen's. Well, I don't know, maybe it's just a user error. I hope it's just a user error because it didn't work for me. I ended up using the IssaCristal. You guys already know about this. Now it's sticking. It's so cute. I'm going to pop on some red pants. I'm gonna make a 25 cent. You guys can see the final product. Next DIY costume I'm gonna make is a ninja. Always wanted to be a ninja. I don't know, for as long as I can remember. This COVID time, I could wear a mask with this, so it's perfect. I bought 2 yards of fabric from Walmart. I already had cut it in half. It was a lot of fabric to work with. This part is gonna go around your waist, and it's gonna make that what's that thing that's in front of a ninja? The belts. I don't know. We're gonna make that. I'm gonna paint a symbol on there. I already chosen my symbol I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use this white marker to mark. Because it's cut, we have to glue it together. We're gonna glue it from the bottom, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of this open so I could loop a fabric through there to make it as a belt. Does that make sense? I'm gonna make a strap so we could loop it around here and then tie it around our waist, and I'm gonna make more straps to put around my wrists and my thighs. We just made a ninja belt. I'm gonna wear a black long sleeve, and I'm gonna wear my biker shorts, and then I haven't figured out the shirts yet. Guys, we'll see the reveal. For our third Halloween costume we're gonna do the Purge. So my boyfriend gave me this. I'm going to destroy. I'm gonna wear a black outfit under this. I use red tie-dye, and we're gonna put like blood splatters on it. In order to get the tie-dye onto the fabric, we have to make the shirt wet first, and then put your gloves on, and then we tie-dye. Okay. I look like I'm about to serve lunch at a school. These are our really nice gloves. I got the tie-dye right here. There's really no pattern I'm going for. I'm just gonna splatter on there to make it look like blood in a way.
This looks more like a scary surgeon, like an operation gone wrong.
How you feeling?
I'm tired. I'm tired of gluing. Okay guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna hurry up and get this over with. Our last DIY we're gonna make a piñata costume. I had bought party streamers from Walmart. I had a dress that I never wore. I bought it and then just sat in my closet, so I just sliced it in half. So now it's a two-piece. I did this off camera.
Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and watching me do these DIYs. If you guys want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget that notification bell to hit the thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!